Right. So this is MATLAB release 2021A. In last 2 days session, you must have gone through the graphical user interface of MATLAB. That it consists of various, the various toolbar, various options for importing data, for writing your MATLAB script. It consists of current folder, command window, workspace, and many more things to provide with that. So if I want to go ahead with data plotting, I need to have data in my MATLAB workspace. So what is workspace? The workspace is basically the window which has the list of variable, like whatever variable assignment we are doing in the MATLAB code, those variable list and their values, are there with the workspace window. Also, it also shows you the data type of a particular variable. Let's say right now I'm having one variable in MATLAB workspace window, that is the variable name is x. The size of variable is 1 by 5. It is basically a row vector, a single row and having 5 column. And a type of that particular variable is double, which means it is holding a numeric data. Numeric data. That's why the data type of that variable is a double. So that is how I can go. I can understand the variable, their size, what type of data they're holding, and what is the data type just by putting a cursor on the variable like this. So to clear my workspace window, I can type clear. Yeah. If I want to clear my command window, I can type CLC. Yeah, just a second. And if I'm having some figure files open in MATLAB, I can type close all. So CLC, clear, and close all are the three commands that we use in every program in MATLAB. So CLC to clear your command window, clear to clear your workspace, and close all to close additional figure windows opened in the backend. So now if I want to clear my command window, I'll simply type CLC. Simple. If I have some figure file open in MATLAB environment, I type figure, it opens one figure window. Right now it is blank because we have not done any data visualizations right there. But if I want to close, I can simply type close all and enter. That will close your all the figure files open in the backend like this. Yeah. So to get started with data plotting, we need to have data in MATLAB, like right exactly. So how to import data in MATLAB environment? To import data in MATLAB, we need to first of all, you know, like like we need to look at the data is available in which file format. Is it a Excel sheet? Is it a .txt data or something else? So let's say I'm having one Excel file in that I'm having my data variable. So first of all, I'll have to import that Excel sheet into MATLAB environment so that we can go ahead with data visualizations and data plotting. So how I'll do that? So I'm having various options to import Excel sheet in MATLAB environment. The first is that I can use some functions like XLS read. So XLS read function is used to import Excel data, the Excel file in MATLAB environment. Apart from that, if you don't want to go with this command-based approach, you can use this import data tool. So import data tool is basically used to import a data of various file formats. So let's say if I'm clicking on import data, so which will open one new pop-up window that is basically a current folder. So let's wait for a moment. Once I like it will pop up a new window. Basically, that is your current folder. So current folder means a working directory. So how to understand what is your working directory? So this is my working directory. How can I change that? If I want to change my working directory, I can click on browse for a folder and I can change my working directory just like this. Let's say I'm selecting this variable called plot MATLAB. I'll select the folder and I'll click on select folder option. So when I click on select folder option, that folder is becoming my a new working directory. Yeah. So let's say I don't have, as you can see, I don't have any Excel sheet present at in this current folder right